This video guide is about getting rid of scary pop-up windows that are coming from the site Protectzone.vip. Protectzone.vip is a misleading site that claims to be related to the well-known security program. But in reality, it is not related to any decent security software. Pop-ups by Protectzone.vip are totally faulty and you should not interact with them. Don't trust these deceptive pop-ups by Protectzone.vip. Their purpose is to force users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these fake alerts, don't tolerate them, don't interact with them. What I recommend you to do is researching the control panel of your computer, and you should uninstall any programs which could be suspicious and could cause such pop-ups. So if you find any items not familiar to you, get rid of them. I also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start researching and investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.